Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to share with you how to change the candlesticks colors in NinjaTrader. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open NinjaTrader. And as you can see here, we have the color green for the bullish candles and we have red for the bearish candles. So to change them, right click, go to data series and go to this one, chart style, color for down bars. This one is for the bearish candle. You can choose any color you want. So I will choose, for example, black. Okay. And for the bullish candles, we have here color for up bars. I will choose, for example, yellow. Okay. Now click on apply. And as you can see, the colors has been changed. If you like these colors, just click on OK. As you can see. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.